Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, an up-to-date Windows 10 or 11 and admin access. Once done, install OBS Studio and the OBS Virtual Cam plugin or a single supported virtual camera app. This creates a Windows virtual camera device. Make sure other camera-using apps are closed to avoid driver conflicts. Next, launch the virtual camera app as administrator so it can register the device with the OS. This initial registration is the only way Windows will expose a virtual camera to other programs. Now configure the virtual camera output inside the app. First, choose your source, the physical webcam, a video file, or a screen capture scene. Then set resolution and frame rate to match the receiving application's expectations so you avoid scaling or stutter. Route audio. If you need mic audio through the virtual device, enable virtual audio output or use system mix. Once configured, use the app start or enable virtual camera button. This broadcasts the app's output to the Windows virtual camera device. Finally, open the target program and select the virtual camera name created by your app. If the feed is blank, stop and restart the virtual camera, then reselect the device. Many apps cache camera lists. If the virtual device never appears, run the virtual app as administrator and reinstall its driver/plugin. Windows requires those drivers to register. A key troubleshooting tip: close all camera-using apps, restart the virtual camera app, then relaunch the target program. That sequence resolves most visibility and permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.